On behalf of Saz Pardazi, I want to thank you for watching this video. Saz Pardazi is a 30-year famous holding in scope of engineering, procurement and construction in oil, gas and petrochemical projects, also in industrial and especially mining projects. And that is one branch in scope of technology transfer, industrial projects and mining. In this movie, I want to present potash mining, potassium chloride or KCl application and technology of potassium factory. Potassium chloride or KCl is the most important salt of potassium that is used mainly in agriculture as fertilizer, in petrochemical as industrial salt. Also, it's used as anti-icing for roads in winter and mulching to prevent dust in deserts. There are three different methods for potash salt extraction. First method is conventional mining in tunnels with heavy machines, kilometers in the earth, and then crushed rocks is transferred kilometers with conveyors to the factory. In the second method, hot water or brine is injected meters or kilometers in the rock layers of earth, so mineral elements dissolve in the water and mix brine. When injection continues, brine is naturally pumped out to the surface of ground and pumped with centrifugal pumps to settling pond. In the third and most economical method, surface brine on the ground as a pond is pumped with centrifugal pumps to the settling ponds. Brine enters to the settling or evaporation ponds with density of around 1.2 gram per cubic meter, that is compared with water with density of around 1 gram per cubic meters. When density is reached to around 1.4 gram per cubic meters, sodium chloride as industrial salt is settled, and brine enters the next level called carnallite pond. So evaporation continues and calcium chloride and magnesium chloride is extracted. When density reaches up to 1.5 gram per cubic meters, evaporation stages are completed. Pond is drained and carnallite as a product gathered with bulldozer and loaded to heavy trucks transferred to potassium factory. Advantages: project can be conducted face to face, so with selling of industrial salt and carnallite project can be financed face to face. Also, marketing for product, especially for salt, can be done gradually. In the factory, there are 6 different stages. First stage is crushing and meshing. Solid carnallite is fed through the hopper and dissolved in the solution that causes calcium chloride to be extracted. Then solution is transferred through vibration screens and smaller particles are fall down to the next stages, and larger particles crushed with meal and routed back to the screens. The second stage is flotation. Flotation agent is fed to the solution and sodium chloride as impurity absorbed to the bubbles and comes to the surface of and extracted with the paddles. In the third stage, at the composition vessel, potassium chloride is extracted from magnesium chloride based on difference in water solubility that is higher for magnesium chloride. In the fourth stage, solution is in contact with saturated solution of potassium chloride, so other impurities are extracted and dissolved in the solution. Fifth stage is drying with hot air from heater and cooling with fresh air. And final stage is bagging or bulk export with ship, train or truck. As a leader in industrial projects, Saze Pardazi Holding and Datis Company hope to be able to share their technology and experiences in your projects.